Hi, my name is Olaf Wilmsmeyer and I'm here today to talk to you today about UHF RFID for smart shelf applications. Yes, as you could see, I'm in an optical store here in my hometown at Optic Void. Many thanks to the team that I'm allowed to take this video, to make this video here in these facilities. As you could see around me, a lot of glasses, and the topic of today, as already the title of the video pointed out, is a smart shelf applications and UHF, how UHF could help you to make online inventory, theft protection, or additional marketing information for your customers. And yes, I'm here again with my favorite antenna, the LOCFIELD antenna, as you could see already equipped here behind me. Of course, this time in a way that you can see it easily. I guess in a final application, it will be hidden somewhere in the furniture. So the application is quite easy. All the glasses are equipped with UHF RFID labels, and as soon as I take out one of the glasses, I'm getting an event with a little bit of software in the background. The LOCFIELD antenna will send the event to your software. If you're not familiar with a LOCFIELD antenna, a special localized field antenna, please feel free to watch one of my previous videos where I'm explaining very well the behavior. And when it comes to metallic environment, also there are some specialities, so please keep an eye on this. And there's also an additional video of mine already published where I'm explaining very well how to handle it if you have any metallic components nearby. Well, coming back to the smart shelf application, again, we have all the glasses here. The glasses are equipped with passive UHF RFID labels, and as soon as I'm taking out one of the glasses, I'm getting an event via a reader, of course, UHF RFID reader, and a little bit of software. I can demonstrate. So as you could see, this glasses is equipped with a label, and as you could see, I'm getting directly an event that I've taken out the sunglass, and that with this kind of information you can do whatever you like. It's up to you. You can have a screen with additional marketing material, or maybe you can get an information to your staff that someone needs help, and you can give them some recommendations. So this is really up to you. But of course, for instance, you can also do online inventory. When work is done at the evening, you directly know which glasses are there, maybe even in which shelf. Is it more in this location or more over there? You can also get this kind of information. As you could see here, for this kind of furniture, for this kind of shelf, I'm using two LOCFIELD antennas, but there are different kind of possibilities. You can also, it depends a little bit on the furniture itself. Sometimes it's also good that you install the antenna in a kind of S shape, a kind of snake at the rear wall of the shelf. It's really related to the furniture design. But the LOCFIELD antenna, of course, is that flexible that you can design your read zone according to your needs. What other applications you see there based on this main idea to have smart shelves? Maybe even outside somewhere else than in an optical store? Please feel free to let me know here on YouTube, on social media, or send me an email.